Hello everyone, I'm Anne and today's video topic is chemistry in relationships and compatibility. I have already recorded a video on this topic, but judging by the comments, it seems like there's a desire to explore this question further, to expand and supplement the information. So I'm filming a second part. Enjoy watching. Let's go. What is chemistry in relationships anyway? It's an emotional connection that arises between two people, and their personality traits evoke an emotional response in each other. It happens unintentionally, no one plans it, no one thinks about it, no one prepares for it. It just happens, that's all. And what can you do about it? Nothing, just accept it. By the way, chemistry is often confused with love. No, that's not the case at all. Love is a deeper feeling, but it originates precisely from chemistry, from its three main components. So, the first component is physical attraction. Well, that's pretty clear. You are attracted to each other physically, and you are drawn like a magnet. You might walk past someone you like and you'll just be pulled in that direction and you can't do anything about it. It's actually quite funny, but it doesn't mean anything. It only means that you would have good children. It's all at a primitive instinctual level. This doesn't speak of love at all. It's just the beginning. A good sign is also that you often catch glances directed at you. And somehow we subconsciously feel when someone is watching us, right? You look in that direction and there are eyes looking at you often. And there are these different looks like formal, business, friendly, but here you intuitively understand that this is a look of desire. Well, another good sign of physical attraction is that you want to touch this person or you feel that the other wants to touch you, right? Usually guys just can't help it. They want to pinch the girl and touch her hand or her shoulder. There may also arise terrible awkwardness and tension between people who have chemistry. They may find each other physically attractive, but this is on an unconscious level and the ego is not ready to accept it. The next level is intellect. There you just visually assess each other, but here you start communicating and you attract each other as personalities. By the way, a good sign of intelligence is that you perceive humor in the same way. That is very valuable. This is more about emotional intelligence. Humor is quite an individual thing. Not everyone can perceive a joke or like a show comedians in the same way. So it might be that you find it funny, but another person doesn't find it funny at all. How can one even watch something like that, one might think. But here you completely match. You laugh at the same jokes together and you understand each other's jokes. No one gets offended. You grasp the whole essence. It's very valuable. This is a clear sign that you definitely won't be bored. It's really easy for you to communicate with the person. As I mentioned at the beginning, it's like you've known this person for 100 years. You just met, but you've already discussed so many topics and you feel at ease internally. You don't specifically come up with topics for conversation. You don't feel emotional pressure to behave in a certain way, to be liked, so that you don't spend a lot of energy thinking, how do I look? What should I say now? These thoughts don't occur to you at all. You start teasing each other and you're not embarrassed by it. With another person, you might hesitate thinking, will they be offended? Say something bold, but here you feel brave, you gain confidence, and you know for sure that this person won't get offended. And there's a kind of game happening, only you know about it. You troll each other, but you enjoy it. Nothing bad happens. You flirt. The next block is spirituality. This is really valuable if you have chemistry on a spiritual level, because here there's already a similarity. You should be similar in values, interests, views on life, goals, yes, in your worldview. That is, you should have more yes than no matches. A kind of synchronization occurs, a strange one at that. That as you can finish each other's sentences, say a word, like some word in 1 second, in 1 minute, or in a game, draw the same card. Another strong sign of spiritual closeness is that you can feel how the other person is doing from a distance. Well, as I already mentioned, not only do you think about the person and they write or call you, but you also do the same. And you can even feel their state, or when you are in the same environment, you can look at the person and determine from their gaze whether they are happy. Your soul will guide you. So, if there is chemistry on a physical, intellectual, and spiritual level, all of this together makes up a complete relationship and compatibility.